Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, Luke Hemmings. Alright, so we have a song called Shakes here. So this is a pretty straightforward song here. We have 5 chords, and we're gonna apply the same strumming pattern here and take a look at the different parts of this song. So let's dive right into this one. And we are going clean here, no need for any capo. So the 5 chords will be A, F sharp minor, E, C sharp minor, and G sharp minor. So a lot of sharps there, but anyway, let's start from the beginning here with A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. All right, the next chord will be the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord, so you play the bar here on the 2nd fret over all strings. You bar the 2nd fret there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Alright, then we have the G sharp minor. You take the very same grip and play it over this position here with the bar finger now, index on the 4th fret. Exact same grip there. You bar all strings, and now you will have to add 6 on A and 6 on D. We have E, so that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the C sharp minor. So you play a bar now on the 4th fret again, but you don't have to bar the last D string this time. So just 5 strings. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at the strumming pattern here. If we go to the first chord, the A, one string around will be like this. Alright, so the first part of it will be down, 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 up. So 3 downs and then down, up. Alright, so I like to play on the bass strings for the first 2 downs there, and then I do the rest there on the mid top strings down here. So the down, down, up on higher notes. So that is the first half of it, and then it continues up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. So if we combine these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right, so we're gonna play throughout the song only 1 string around per chord. So the first verse and even the choruses will be played in the same way. I mentioned just the first verse because the second one changes a little bit. The first verse and both choruses in the song goes A, F sharp minor, E, and C sharp minor. That is the first half of it. And then the second half goes F sharp, A, C sharp, and E. Alright, and like I mentioned, throughout this song, we have only 1 string around per chord. So the first half was A, F sharp, E, and C sharp. Now F sharp, A, C sharp, and E. Alright, so that is the chord progression here for both the first verse and then the first chorus, and then we have the second verse before we play the second chorus. But remember, the second chorus was played in the same way as we just learned. Now, the second verse will be A, F sharp minor, E, and C sharp minor. So it starts in the same way. But then the second half is A, F sharp minor, E, and then G sharp minor in the end. So almost 2 similar, very similar chord progression rounds, halves of it. So A, F sharp, E, that's how it starts. And then the first round is C sharp minor, and the second round is G sharp minor. So A, F sharp, E, and now comes the C sharp. A, F sharp, E, and G sharp. Alright, so that is the second verse, and then we had the second chorus, we know that by now. And then after the second chorus comes a post-chorus part. So this post-chorus part goes A, F sharp minor, E, and C sharp minor. That is also the outro part, so you just continue there and go for the outro as well, which played in the same way. So A, F sharp minor, E, and C sharp minor, that is how Luke Hemmings' Shakes ends. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar, and until next time, play tuned.